Hello guys, welcome to another part of this tutorial. So in this part we are going to do the high fidelity design. So the high fidelity design. So we are going to go in this part and then get to where you have your finished product. So we have a few elements here that are going to help us in this design. So we are not going to save the time of searching for an element of it, and you can always go on Google to search for elements and design screens and every other thing that you need. And we could also go to Google for things like an image that fits here, or these or that, or the mobile screen. But we are going to use this mobile screen to search for everywhere we need mobile. So we're going to start with the actual web design here, and design our high fidelity screen from here. So there we go. So now we have these. We might not necessarily have to create a logo. I just noticed that this wasn't aligned properly. This wasn't aligned properly. Say yes, that is what we have now. And let us test. I'm going to take you through how the design process is, and the thought process that goes into it. So let us see how we can create something unique out of this. So let us create a rectangle from here. A rectangle is not coming out from there. Let us duplicate that, create a rectangle, make this 0, and here we go. Send it back, and finish this up. So we are trying to think of what design style would work for these and what wouldn't work. So here we can say gray, and let us try this uh, morpho neomorphic. Is it neomorphic, or we're just trying a design style, looking for a design style that is going to work best for us, and who knows, this could work. So blur, layer blur, we edit. So okay, I didn't show you this effect. When you come to effect, you can edit your you can add effects like uh drop shadow, inner shadow, layer blur, background blur. So here we want to do layer blur. So when you come here where it looks like a light icon, you click here, then you can add your level of blur to this. So okay, so I mean this um so I want to fit this thing into the artboard. So yeah, you close this, and you reduce the opacity so that you can have a glass view of this effect. So I'm looking for a way to put this into our desktop too. So we are going to drag this from Eclipse 9 and look for desktop 2 to fit it into. Yeah, it's in. So if it doesn't work, we are going to take it out. So let's just take these elements. Let's take it down here. Let's take this element out and bring in our actual phone. Okay, so reduce the opacity of this steel to 35, and yeah, pretty much small like it. Um, okay, so we have something close. So we have something close. We am in between. Should this still be black or should that be orange? Should this be orange? Uh, yeah, we could leave it at orange, and we are definitely taking this out. So come with me. Go. So it's not working the way we want it to. So let's make this one 30. Reduce the opacity a bit more. Okay, sure, better. So yeah, so yes, that's our top bar is good. We can choose to let us test this and make this a bit bolder, and make this, yeah, a bit bolder too. Make this medium. So when we make that medium, we can start adding color to this. Our primary color, our secondary color, and add a little shade of green to it to make it look. So we find an icon to replace this with. We're not leaving it this way, but for the sake of this tutorial, we have to move as fast as possible. So now it is taking shape. Our design is taking shape. It's looking nice. It's looking good, and I feel like we are getting somewhere. So we can, like, the thought process of creating this. That's what we are doing. So let's make this dark feel, and change this text to white. So we replace that with this. Let us replace it with this is a this shape with this design screen. It is a random UI design that we want to use to replace. So when you're doing your dashboard, you can replace it with this. So make as mask. Um, to make this as mask, you're going to send this to back. Draw a shape on you shop draw a shape behind, send to back, select the two of them. You can click here, use as mask, or you can as well left click and use as mask. So there we go. Replace that with this, and Yeah, we're close to getting something very solid to work with. So let's make this logo a bit bolder and yeah, nice, better. So the mobile, since we don't have any other device, we are still going to use this our friend here. Ungroup these elements, take them out, and then leave just the phone. Yeah, so reflect, turn it around, and take the shape out. So what color do you think we should do with this? Let's see how we can find a complementary color for that. Scale it up a bit, and voila, we have this. So let's reduce it. Uh, let's do business. So our primary color, our secondary color. Um, okay, this let's make it medium, medium, medium. Right. We're good. So now we have our high fidelity design ready for use. So if you have any uh, question you need to ask, send it to me with the email that I used to send the course details to you, so you can pick that up. So let us design the mobile responsiveness at once, so we don't have to get back to this again. So we remember we had to make this medium. We had to make this bold. We had to make this medium to yeah. So okay, yeah. Okay, so this is that, and replace that with this. Okay, so business tool, bring this down here, and make this medium. Sorry, make this medium. Um, yeah, let it be there. So, replace the colors. Pick the colors. To pick colors. I to pick colors. Um, and I to pick colors. We pick the colors. It goes back to the original set. So, you change this to medium, and you change this to black. Right. Yeah. Here we go. So we fit it to our mobile screen, so we can have a better view. Okay, we round the curve a bit, the edges a bit, and then yeah, almost ready to wrap up. So we select the two of them, we change them to medium. The color here, primary color and also our secondary color. So the mobile device, delete that, pick this from here. So if you're totally new to this course, you have to go through the video again and again. So any step you missed out, you're going to find a way around it, or I can have a way to run you through the things you've not been able to get. So when you click this drop down, but you have all of that here. So that's pretty much it for the high fidelity user interface for our app product. So our rundown, we have the low fidelity of the product and the mobile responsiveness, and now we have the high fidelity of our product and the mobile responsiveness of the same product. So I'll meet you in the next one.